Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video, we are going to see the non-profit organization. If you like the more video, if you want more videos regarding non-profit organization, you can go to the House of Accounts. There is a playlist non-profit organization where you can watch the more videos regarding the question of how non-profit organization or non-trading concern. A non-profit organization, also known as non-business entity, is one that serves the public good and is tax exempted completely because it's work for public only. That's why tax is exempted. Its purpose is something other than making profit. Means its purpose for help to people, not for making profit. Typically, this type of transaction is educational institutions, scientific and charitable, library, religious, literary, religious, or library also, a trade or professional organization, etc. The public is usually able to make donation to a non-profit organization in most cases. The donation are tax deductible. Okay, it is means tax. It doesn't need to pay the taxes on such donations. So let's see the question: how to solve a non-profit organization questions. So here is the question is given here. The following is the summary of receipt and payment of Shakuntala Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2009. Okay, it's a sports club. So sports club means bat, ball are the equipment for sports, ground or sports moving machine, something machines. Okay, cleaning machines are the equipment for sports. So receipt and payment given. Receipt means income, payment means expenses, payment. So all the payments will appear. So what we have to do, we receipt and payment given means we have to prepare some income expenditure or a balance sheet. Okay, let's see here other information. Subscription includes 700 of previous year. Okay, means whatever the subscription 38,500 is given here. So 700 is include from previous year. Okay, and 1,200 of forthcoming year. Forthcoming means next year, means coming year. So coming year subscription, the next coming year subscription we have already received here 1200, and last year 700 subscription will have received here. Present year we have received. What we have to do at the time of subscription calculation in income expenditure account, because receipt means whatever the amount we will, it's like a cash book, whatever the amount we receive it is given here. But in income expenditure account only current year transaction will be taken, no last year, no future year. Okay, like this. Okay, subscription outstanding for current year means here, see here, present year subscription 1000 is outstanding. Subscription means little donation by the people. Okay, so 1000 is pending, so these 1000 we have to add, and 700 to 1200 we have to left. Donation are to be capitalized as per by law. Okay, sorry, as per the by law, donation are to be capitalized. Capital means it will go for long years, so it will transfer to direct, this donation directly transfer to balance sheet. Okay, now here prepare income and expenditure account. So we just have to prepare income and expenditure account. Okay, so let's see how to prepare it. Okay, let's prepare income and expenditure account here. Okay, what are the payments we have to take in expenditure account? Okay, for the year ended 31st March 2009. So right here, income and expenditure account of Shakuntala. Okay, as on 31st right here, 31st March 2009. So 31st March 2009. Okay, so see. Okay, what are the expenses? General expenses 6200, right? These general expenses means in income expenditure account we don't have to take any assets, we just have to take income and expenses only. So right here, how much general expenses? 6200. So write 6200. Next, rent and rate. We have subscription entries only for adjustment here. So all the entries take directly. Rent and rate 6,700. So right here rent and rate 6,700. Okay. Next traveling 5,900. So right traveling 5,900. Okay. Next postage and stationery 1,280. Right postage stationery 1,280. Next refresh. Okay. Bat balls are it's a assets. Bat for a sports club, bat and balls are assets. Books also assets. Later we can sell it. Furniture also assets. Refreshment means it's expenses 10,200. So right 10,200 expenses for refreshment. Newspapers, periodical and balance. Periodicals means journals. Okay. So it also daily cost. It can't be sold. It will go in bulky form with a lesser prices. So 1,960 will be for journals, periodicals means journals. So balance is a receipt payment is also known as cash book. So this balance won't take. This is known as cash. It will come in balance sheet only. Now on receipt side, all the receipt will come into the income account. This two balance is the cash amount. This will come in balance sheet only. Subscription 38,500 right here. Okay, before that what we have to do, we have to create one detail column. Okay, we have to create a detail column. So right here subscription how much? 38,500. So now let's see. Okay, here subscription, okay, we'll do later. Now donation is 9,200. It will come in balance sheet because it is not given here. Donation are to be capitalized as per law, so don't take donation. Sale of refreshment is take sale of refreshment directly outside. Okay, 12,400. 12,400 is a refreshment. Interest on fixed deposit is also income. Interest on fixed deposit is 7,800. Okay, now locker rent is 2,400. Okay, so all are over. Now what we have to do, we have to go for other information. Subscription includes 700 of previous year. So this is income and expenditure accounting, profit and loss accounting. We have to see the current income, profit and loss means current income or current loss. So for that purpose, don't take any previous or upcoming year entries. We just have to take the present entries. So subscription includes 700 of previous year. So deduct this amount. So minus last year. Okay, last year how much? Right here 700 for last year, and you can take this one into the bracket for any deductible amount. Okay, and next year also given, that is also minus next year. Okay, last year and next year. Okay, next year how much? See, the next year is 1,200. So deduct this 1,200 also. Okay, this one also deductible amount. But here present year is also given here. Okay, so present year outstanding, subscription outstanding for current year. So that is or add. Subscription means little income. Okay, small donation from people. Current year. Okay, current year subscription. Right here current year subscription. How much current year subscription? Let's go this one is down here. So right here current year subscription. Don't write in bracket. Bracket means minus. Current year is 1,000 subscription for current year. Okay, and this is 1,000 about for last year, for next year. So now all the entries are over. So last year, next year deduct, current year will be add. Okay. Alright. So here what we have to do is, okay, so it is given here. Okay, this is how we have to calculate. So all the entries are over. So now calculate this one on calculator. Here is given here. See, 38,500 minus 700 minus 1200 plus 1000. So it's 35,400, right? 35,400. What we have to do, we have to all these amount, add all these amounts, means 35,400 plus 12,400 plus 7,800 plus 2,400. Okay, so overall will be 72,600. Let's see before going for any. Okay, here is given. Okay, let's see how much it's giving. It's taking here 60, 72. Okay, let's calculate one more time. 35,400 plus 12,400 plus 35,400 plus 12,400 plus 7,800 plus 2,400. Okay, so again what we have to do is, this is 38,000. Okay, let's calculate one more time this one. 38,500 minus 700 minus 1200 then plus 1000. Overall 37,600. This is 37,600. So now add all the amounts. 37,600 plus 12,400 plus 7,800 plus 2,400. It's 60,200. So right here 60,200. Now we have to find this one, excess of income over expenditure. Means if income is over, then it is called excess of income over expenditure. If expenditure is more than the income, so it is known as excess of income, expenditure over income. So if there is income excess, we can also call surplus. If the expenditure excess over income, we can say deficit. So right here, let's calculate first. 60,200 minus 6,200 minus 6,700 minus 5,900 minus 1280 minus 10,200 minus 1960. How much? 27,960 we are getting. See here, 27,960 is given here. So we got 27,960. So right here total amount 60,200 will be the answer. This is how this is the total. Okay, so we got the answer 27,960. This is the profit, means excess of income over expenditure. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this income expenditure account. If you want to see the more videos regarding non-profit organization, go to House of Account, or you can subscribe it, go to House of Account and go to the playlist of non-profit organization, so where you find more videos, more questions videos.